B. I've made a simple yet interesting catapult with the help of few recyclable and easily available materials like unsharpened pencil, rubber bands, paper cups, popsicle sticks. But the question is, how does a catapult work? Catapult works because energy can be converted from one type to another and transferred from one object to another. This catapult is made out of elastic rubber band. Elastic has a strong tendency to resume to its original shape once we stretch the rubber band. It deforms. Now the rubber band is struggling hard to get back to its original shape. When we release the stick, potential energy converts into kinetic or moving energy, forcing the object out in a projectile motion and hence regaining to its original shape. Yes! 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 So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's make one because it's low down.